Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is our smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. This one also includes the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 40,387 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.